Oh, not a whole lot. Do you have your license with you?
Straight,
Take a look at that here real quick. We were just doing 85 and a 70 right there, just about half a mile ago. Okay, so initially someone called you and said you were watching TV while you were driving. So I got in behind you down there at the 104, followed you up to the 106, or to the 110 here. Had multiple marked lanes violations where you weren't able to keep it in your lane. You did fail to use your signal when you got off the 75 onto 33 here. So that's why I have you stopped. Someone called you and said you were watching TV, which I confirmed that when I got in behind you. I could see the football game going. You can't do that. Can't be watching TV and driving. We need to be eyes focused on the road.